Hamid and Ahmed have been great. They've been, giving of their time and explanation. Whatever you ask them, they're happy to talk about.
This course offers an unbiased overview of many different systems. There's no other course in Australia and New Zealand that does that.
So far the course has been great. It's good to have tried out the new scanners and to see what the new mills can do, and also it's opened my eyes a little bit to other uses for the scanners, such as Invisalign.
Knowing which machine to use when, whether one machine's going to be kind of too slow or not get the right accuracy. So just in general, it's such a minefield out there, just knowing what I need to be using and when I need to be using it.
I definitely think it's so beneficial. Not only do you get to learn how to do everything, but you get exposure to all the different systems. It just gave us this option to play with each one of them, see how they feel, and speak to different people that have a different experience as well.
I'd say hands-on experience today has been amazing. In the UK I did a lot of courses, a lot of hands-on course, and nothing's been better than today.
The team here really enthusiastic, and I would certainly recommend this course to anybody that would like to come along and see what you can do with CAD/CAM dentistry.
I do definitely recommend coming. It really gives you a good summary of all the CAD/CAM systems. So we've got to play with Trios, Planmeca, CEREC, the new CEREC that just came out as well, different types of mills and materials. So you get a good overview that's unbiased, and there's pros and cons to each system.
I've learnt that I could do so much more. I had only been doing single crown restorations. I was scared to do anything more just because of time pressure, failures, but I've realised being able to actually physically do them with the help of Hamid and Ahmed, it's just given me so much more confidence to just do so much more there.
No system's perfect, and if you take away all the sales pitch, you actually get to see what's going on and you get to compare it.
If you want to get into CAD/CAM and you don't know where to start, this is the place to start.
If you're on the fence, you need to jump in and do it, because at the end of the day, dentistry, it's all going to be digital. It's just heading that way. Everything's coming out now digitally based, the CAD/CAM, and it just looks so much better, it's so much nicer for patients. So if you want to be offering that, if you want to be giving your patients the best treatment, then you need to get on the course, have all the experience that you can to take back to the practice.